Have you ever noticed how quickly your fuel gauge seems to drop, even when you haven't changed a single driving habit? Most drivers have no idea, but every year, millions of gallons are wasted, literally slipping through our fingers, because of tiny, almost invisible habits that make gas stations richer while your wallet empties. Today, we're diving deep into 13 secrets every car owner should know, secrets that can stretch every gallon, protect your engine, and save you hundreds of dollars without buying a single gimmick. And trust me, the first one will blow your mind. It's something even your local gas station doesn't want you to know. This is AutoJ World, and you're getting the insider tour. Buckle up. Let's start at the top, with a habit that feels thrilling but costs you more than adrenaline. Imagine a driver weaving inches behind a massive truck, hugging its bumper like a magnet. It looks daring, almost like a stunt pulled straight from a racing track. But in reality, it's one of the fastest ways to turn your car into an expensive paperweight. This is drafting, and while race car drivers have helmets, spotters, and radio teams guiding every inch, you're on the highway with nothing but your reflexes and a seatbelt. Studies by the U.S. Department of Energy show that aggressive driving, hard acceleration, sudden braking, can slash your fuel economy by 15 to 30%. Drafting isn't saving fuel, it's gambling with your life and your tank. Even when you think you're keeping a safe distance, the fuel saved is barely 1 to 3%. Smooth, steady driving wins. Your car, your wallet, and your safety all thank you for it. Once you leave the reckless habits behind, the next secret unlocks real fuel savings before your foot even touches the brake. Anticipating traffic is like giving your car a sixth sense. Instead of fixating on the bumper ahead, you scan farther, noticing red lights, brake lights, and slowdowns before they catch you off guard. Instead of slamming the brakes at the last second, you ease off the throttle and let momentum do the work. MIT research and Department of Energy data show this simple habit can improve city driving fuel economy by 10 to 40%. Meanwhile, the average aggressive commuter saves just 26 seconds on a daily drive, barely noticeable, but burns a lot more fuel. Anticipation protects your engine, brakes, and transmission while saving money. Think of it as defensive driving with a bonus. Fewer surprises, lower stress, and a slowly dropping fuel gauge that's more satisfying than you imagined. But timing isn't just for braking, it's also about staying cool. Air conditioning versus windows might seem simple, but most drivers do it completely wrong. In city traffic, air conditioning can be a fuel monster, adding 15 to 30% to consumption during short, stop-and-go trips. Open windows are better here, letting your car breathe without overloading the engine. On the highway, however, aerodynamics rule. Windows down at 60 miles per hour create drag, like towing a parachute. Here, the AC actually consumes less fuel. The secret: use slightly open windows in city traffic and switch to AC on highways. Recirculation mode if you want maximum efficiency. Extreme heat. Always prioritize alertness and comfort over squeezing out an extra mile per gallon. Now imagine your engine running, but your wheels aren't moving. That's idling, the quietest money-burning habit. Many drivers still warm up their cars for minutes that fuel systems simply don't need. Modern engines stabilize within seconds. Letting it idle 5 to 10 minutes doesn't protect your car. It wastes between a quarter and half a gallon per hour, according to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Over a year, that's $100 to $150 of fuel gone for nothing. Idling also encourages carbon buildup and rough operation. If you're stopped longer than 10 seconds, shut it off. Restarting burns far less fuel than you think. Simple, silent, and effective. Next, we move from what's happening under the hood to the air your engine breathes. A dirty air filter is like breathing through a pillow. It chokes your engine, makes it work harder, and silently drains fuel. Newer cars mask the problem better with sensors, but the effect remains: slower throttle response, rough idle, and fuel economy dropping over time. Gas stations love it because most drivers forget the filter exists. Check it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. If light can't pass through it, neither can your engine. Clean it, and your car feels like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Tires are next, the unsung heroes of fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires spread on the road, increasing rolling resistance. Even a small 5 to 10 psi drop can lower fuel economy by up to 3%. And many drivers don't notice until the tire warning light glows, long after wasted fuel has already disappeared. Monthly checks. Using the recommended PSI from the door jamb, keep your car rolling smoothly and your wallet heavier. Then there's the myth of premium fuel. Most drivers think paying extra will improve performance or efficiency, but unless your engine specifically requires it, premium fuel is just a tip to the gas station. AAA tests show no real difference for cars designed to run on regular gas. Stick to what your car needs and stop overpaying for marketing tricks. Excess weight is another silent killer. Every forgotten tool, every unused roof rack, every extra pound forces your engine to burn more fuel. Empty roof racks can cut efficiency by 10 to 25% at highway speeds. The fix: remove what you don't need and keep your car aerodynamic. You'll notice the tank lasts longer and every mile feels lighter. Even a loose gas cap is a hidden thief. Vapor escapes silently, sometimes as much as 30 gallons a year. Check for a tight seal every fill up, twist until it clicks, and replace worn caps. It's a tiny step with huge savings. Adaptive cruise control is a tech secret that quietly fights fuel loss on highways. Constant speed, smooth braking, automatic distance adjustments, everything that wastes fuel with human feet is minimized. Drivers save up to a full tank each month on commutes. Smooth, calm, automated driving. It's that simple. Motor oil matters too. Use the viscosity your manufacturer recommends. Too thick or too thin, and your engine fights itself, wasting fuel. Switching to the correct full synthetic often improves fuel economy immediately. The right oil is your engine's lifeblood. It glides, consumes less fuel, and lasts longer. Internal cleanliness makes a difference most drivers don't see. Carbon deposits on injectors, valves, and pistons reduce fuel efficiency silently. A proper fuel system cleaner with PEA removes buildup, restores spray patterns, and improves combustion, giving you back lost power and efficiency. Clean engines save fuel, and gas stations hate that. Finally, the most guarded secret: never run your tank empty, and never overfill. Driving on fumes overheats your fuel pump, risking costly replacement. Overfilling can damage your EVAP system, saturating the charcoal canister and triggering repairs that cost thousands. The trick: refill at around a quarter tank, and stop as soon as the pump clicks. Your pump stays cool, emission systems stay safe, and you save money every single fill. These 13 habits aren't flashy gimmicks, they're insider tips, small adjustments that compound over time. Smooth driving, proper maintenance, awareness of fuel-hungry habits, they're all part of a smarter, more efficient driving style that protects your car, your fuel, and your wallet. If you learned something new today, don't just keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more insider tips, and comment below telling us your country. Because every road has secrets worth knowing, and every driver deserves to keep more money in their pocket.